Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to fix if no sound plays after you connect your earbuds with the phone. Firstly, I recommend it to restart your audio player application. Let's say you listen to music in SoundCloud. Just remove this application from the application list and then open it again. Also, I recommend it to go to the App Store or Play Store and check if you have the latest version for this application and update if you haven't. Next step is to check if you have the latest software version for your earbuds. Open QCY application. Of course, your headphones should be turned on and connected to the app. Then go to the settings at the right top, scroll down, and at the bottom you need to find firmware update. Firmware version is the same as software. Tap at this line, it check for updates, it said that I have the latest software version. If you haven't, in this window you can update it. Next step is to restart your phone. I use these earbuds with the phone, so I should restart this phone. If you use it with a tablet, try to restart your tablet. And if all of these methods didn't help you, we should perform the factory reset. To perform the factory reset, we need to put both your earbuds to the charging case, but do not close the case. If you close it, just open the lid and do not remove your earbuds from the case. At the bottom we have USB-C port. Near to the port we have connection button, and you need to press and hold this connection button for at least 10 seconds until you will see that the LED light on your earbuds start blinking red 5 times. So press and hold. Firstly start blinking white because we enter to prank mode. Don't worry, just keep holding this button, we need the red LED light. And we have it. Now we can reconnect them with the phone. Go to the settings, then Bluetooth or connected devices, and at the device list click the information icon or settings icon near to your headphones. Then forget this device button, or you may have forget button or forget device or unpair or remove, and then forget device. Without it, if you try to reconnect them, on iOS it will ask you to remove them, and on Android it will show you connectional problem. After you remove your earbuds, if you have Android, you need to click Pair New Device button at the top, but not all Android phones have this button. Maybe you need to do the same as on iOS, just go back and return to the Bluetooth, or turn off and turn on the Bluetooth, or maybe you have a refresh button, tap at that button. After that, you will see your headphones at the device list, tap on them, and we just reconnect them with the phone. That's it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!